this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this model 25-inch, serial number 1649, heavy-duty pre-owned Axelson engine lathe. This is an American-made Axelson lathe that has 28 3/4 inch swing over the bed, 18.5 over the cross, and a true 10-foot between centers. So I have 120 inches between centers, 28 3/4 over the bed, and 18.5 over the cross. That being said, this machine has 24 changes ranging from 6 to 555 RPM. We have a high and a low range. We're currently running at a low speed in the low range. Here's the speed chart. Lows on the left and highs on the right. And it's kind of cool the way it's set up. It goes off of a lever configuration. So we're currently running at 30 RPM. As you can see right here, we're on the levers at 30 RPM. All right, go ahead, Paul. Let's rock some more speeds. Here at Machinery Consultants, we pride ourselves on limited use, high quality, pre-owned, American-made, domestic-built machine tools. This really fits the bill in all those categories. This is a D111 spindle bore in the lathe. It has 2 3/8 inch spindle bore on the hole. Okay, here's 45 RPM. Thank you so much. I'd like to point out these massive hard ways that we're witnessing here. Okay, cool. Next. Pointing out the width of the ways, the bed ways are absolutely massive. It's a hard way machine. This steady rest is a roller style, speaking of accessories, with the 15-inch hole capacity. It has an Aloris type wedge style quick change tool block with 2 holders. Okay, additionally, this machine has a full-length taper attachment. Get around the back and see if I can show you that. Here's the rear view of the machine. Maybe let's try that 80 RPM or that 82 RPM. That seemed to be a good one. Okay, here's the back side of the machine, showing the full-length taper attachment. Has coolant bomba built in, ready to go. Beautiful coolant pump system. Okay, coming in at 53 RPMs. Okay, this is a nice consistent speed for us to slow down a little bit and just take a quick look at a few things. Great assortment of spindle speeds. Again, there's 24 changes from 6 to 555. On the threads and the feeds, there's 54 changes each. From 1 to 30 TPI and 0.010 to 0.300 IPR. The main drive motor on this is a 20 horsepower. The overall weight on this machine is approximately 21,000 pounds. Very impressive. When it comes to finding this machine on our website, it's just a click away at machineryconsultants.com. On used machines, on the parent. After that, click down on the sibling, which is our engine lathe category. And from there you go to any of the machines that are listed. This happens to be our Axelson model 25-inch. Our stock number on this machine is 837. That's 6,837. Okay, that's 274 RPMs. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know if I mentioned or not, that's basically running a 25-inch heavy-duty 4-jaw chuck. That's a 25-inch 4-jaw D111 chuck. Okay, and that's 274 RPM. Located in Salt Lake City, Utah. Again, we make things easy when it comes to shopping for a pre-owned heavy-duty machine. Just give us a call and we'll send out the quote by email or give you the price over the phone. All of these photos can be found on our website as well as this video link on our www.machineryconsultants.com. We also have a chip pan that's built in with this machine, as well as micrometer stop, coolant. We talked about the great hardened ways, the 15-inch steady rest, the taper attachment with the bed clamp, the Aloris type wedge style quick change tool block with the holders, and the 24 or the 25 inch. It's technically a 24-inch 4-jaw chuck. Okay, well that about wraps it up. Nice video, Paul. Well, again, if you have any questions, please feel free to pick up